You might be one of the millions of people who feel uneasy or even scared when it comes to getting blood drawn. And you might avoid going to the doctor for fear of the needle. That is a common thing, so don't worry. Many people experience fear and anxiety at the thought of getting their blood drawn. But the truth is, blood tests are an essential part of healthcare. They provide valuable information about your health and can help you catch potential health problems before they become more serious. In the end of this video, you will learn the venipuncture procedure step by step. So keep watching. By the way, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Let's start. Number 1. The importance of blood draw. Blood tests are used for a variety of purposes, including diagnosing and treating medical conditions. They can provide information about your blood sugar levels, cholesterol levels, kidney function, liver function, and much more. Regular blood tests can help you and your doctor stay on top of your health and detect any potential issues early on. Number 2. Preparing for the venipuncture procedure. To make your blood draw as painless and stress-free as possible, there are a few things you can do to prepare. First, make sure you are well hydrated. Drinking plenty of water before your appointment can make it easier for the phlebotomist to find your veins. Secondly, wear comfortable clothing that allows easy access to your arm. This can be a short-sleeved shirt or a top with sleeves that can be easily rolled up. This will save time and ensure that the phlebotomist can access your vein without any complications. It is also important to inform the phlebotomist of any medications you are taking. Certain medications can affect your blood clotting, which can make the procedure more difficult. Your phlebotomist will need to know this information so that they can take appropriate measures to ensure that the procedure is done safely and efficiently. Number 3. The venipuncture procedure step by step. The venipuncture procedure is a standard procedure that is performed by trained phlebotomists. Here are the steps involved in the venipuncture procedure. Step 1. The phlebotomist will begin by cleaning the site where the needle will be inserted with an antiseptic. This is usually done with an alcohol swab. This step is essential to prevent infection and to keep the area clean. Step 2. The phlebotomist will then apply a tourniquet to your arm to make your veins more visible. This helps to identify the vein and ensures that the phlebotomist does not miss the vein during the procedure. Step 3. Once your vein is located, the phlebotomist will insert the needle into your vein. This should not be painful, but you may feel a slight pinch or pressure. The needle is a small gauge needle that is designed to minimize discomfort. Step 4. Once the needle is inserted, the phlebotomist will draw your blood into a tube or vial. The amount of blood drawn will depend on the type of test being performed. Step 5. After the blood has been drawn, the phlebotomist will remove the needle and apply pressure to the site with a cotton ball or gauze. This is done to prevent bleeding and to ensure that the vein has been properly sealed. Step 6. The phlebotomist will then dispose of the needle and send your blood sample to the lab for testing. The sample will be analyzed, and the results will be sent to your doctor, who will discuss them with you at a later date. Number 4. Practical tips for a stress-free blood draw. Now that you know the steps involved in the venipuncture procedure, here are some practical tips to help make your experience as stress-free as possible. 1. Relaxation techniques. One of the most effective ways to reduce anxiety during a blood draw is to use relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, meditation, and visualization exercises can all help calm your nerves and reduce stress. Try taking a few deep breaths before your appointment or imagining yourself in a calm and peaceful environment. You may also find it helpful to listen to relaxing music or a guided meditation during the procedure. 2. Communicate with the phlebotomist. It's important to communicate with your phlebotomist throughout the procedure. Let them know if you are feeling anxious or uncomfortable. They may be able to adjust the procedure or offer reassurance to help ease your nerves. If you have had a difficult experience with blood draws in the past, let your phlebotomist know so that they can take extra care to make the experience more comfortable for you. 3. Distract yourself. Distraction can be a powerful tool for reducing anxiety during a blood draw. Bring a friend or family member to talk to during the procedure, or bring a book or magazine to read. Some phlebotomy labs even offer distraction techniques, such as virtual reality or interactive games to keep your mind occupied during a procedure. Getting your blood drawn may not be the most pleasant experience, but it is an essential part of maintaining your health. With these practical tips, you can make your next blood draw a stress-free experience. Remember to stay hydrated, wear comfortable clothing, communicate with your phlebotomist, and use relaxation techniques and distraction to ease your nerves. Your health is important, and getting regular blood tests can help you stay on top of any potential health issues. So don't let fear or anxiety prevent you from taking care of yourself. With these tips, you can confidently face your next blood draw and walk away feeling proud of yourself for taking an important step towards a healthier you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So, even after what you've learned, but still can't get it, no problem, because this video here has everything you need. Check it out now and crack that code and get all the information you need.